everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And I thought I'd do something I haven't done in quite a while. I have an unboxing. And this has not been opened in any way, shape, or form yet. I'm just going to cover up my address. You can see the box is fully enclosed. And I got something that I have wanted for a super, super long time. And I knew this is where buying SLGs to me comes in handy. I knew that I don't know when if and when I would ever want to put the money into anything bigger than this. And it's something though that I desperately wanted. And I don't like paying more than retail for anything. So generally I buy from Fashion File and I buy things that are older and but still in good condition, you know, very good condition, like new condition. And this though, I knew I wanted it like new. I knew I wanted it, and I knew I didn't want to pay over retail. But I've been wanting it and wanting it and wanting it and wanting it. And finally, on one of the times when Fashion File had one of their sales, I pulled the trigger. And voila, it's from Fashion File. If you've seen Fashion File boxes before, you knew. And they're still putting out, giving you the nice dots. I get my file. But I was wondering if I get a calendar. I didn't get a calendar, which I don't know if you guys remember last year, you got calendars like through probably May. So I am super, super excited about this. Like, I don't know the last time I was so excited about something because I'd wanted it so badly that I actually paid more than retail for it. Not much more, but I did. So here's the box. Any ideas on where it's from? A place I haven't bought anything from in quite a while, and before I was going on a spree where it was lots of stuff. But I got something from Chanel, and I was excited about this. It came with this bag. I don't know if it came with a dust bag. I know it came with its box and authenticity card. Oh, yes, it has its little dust bag too. So inside you get, this time it wasn't attached. I just got the little Fashion File thing here. And I got the item, and it's beautiful, nice. Ooh, this is really substantial. This bag is a little bit different, I think, than what I've gotten. Then again, I haven't opened anything from Chanel in a while. I got my authenticity card. It is newer. What is this? 31 series, but they didn't put the little codes in the SLGs, so it's just it still has the authenticity card in it. But do you ever just really want something so bad and just hope and pray it's exactly like you were hoping? Because I've never seen it in person, but I've seen it in pictures, and oh, this does not disappoint. I got this little lavender card holder, and then it's got, I believe that's silver hardware in it, and it just almost looks like it's got darker stitching on it, but that's the way that it's reflecting. This is just nice and puffy. It was in excellent condition. It's got 2 card holders on the back, 1 in the front, and then it's got this nice slip pocket with the lavender interior, and then the little Chanel right there. But oh my gosh, when this color, there was a lavender that came out the season before this that I absolutely adored. It was a little darker than this, and then this came out, and oh my gosh, and I was thinking, what am I gonna get? I knew the classic flaps were going for over 10 grand easily, even in the medium size. I didn't really know, I don't know that I've seen a lot of smalls. I've seen a number of the oh, what are they called? The, not the trendy, the other one with the handle. I can't even think of the name right now. I saw some of those and I thought maybe that's what I'd get. But they were so, this color was going for so much. I'm just like, ugh, I just don't want to pay that. And then I decided that, or I started thinking about it more, to be honest, and I started thinking, okay, I don't want to bag this color. I wear jeans all the time. I don't wear anything other than jeans unless I'm wearing shorts, which are jean shorts. So to buy a bag, this color, not gonna happen. I'd be too worried about color transfer all the time. I don't think you will ever see me carrying a light colored bag unless it's like a Coach bag or something like that. So then I thought, another SLG it is. I love the classic card holders. This one was had discounted just a little bit on Fashion File. Plus, I think it was it 10% off or something like that. So I finally did it. I put it on layaway, and then I paid it off little by little, and now I have it. So this is what I have for you today. Just this small unboxing of this beautiful, beautiful card holder. I now have something in this color like I wanted, and I didn't have to pay a total mint for it. Yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Just a short little video for you today. Please like, comment if you like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. You can find me on Instagram at jame_s_jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.